Did you know that some of the smallest creatures on this planet have abilities that would put superheroes to shame? For instance, think about the humble bee. You might see it as just a fuzzy, flying insect, but it's got a secret superpower. Bees can recognize human faces. That's right. These tiny insects with brains the size of a sesame seed can remember the patterns of your face, much like how we remember our friends. So, the next time you're kind to a bee, it might just remember you. And if you're not, well, let's just say it's better to be on their good side. Now, let's hop over to the world of amphibians. Imagine being able to take a nap so deep that you literally freeze solid. For some species of frogs, like the wood frog, this isn't science fiction. It's their winter survival strategy. When the temperature drops, these frogs can freeze almost completely solid. Their heart stops beating, their lungs stop breathing, and they are, for all intents and purposes, a frog cycle. But when spring arrives and the ice thaws, something miraculous happens. Their heart starts beating again, their body warms up, and they just hop away, as if nothing happened. It's an incredible feat of nature's engineering, allowing them to survive the harshest winters. And what about our feline friends? If you have a cat, you've probably seen them staring intently at a seemingly empty wall or a corner of the room. It's a bit creepy, right? Well, there's a reason for that. Cats can rotate their ears a full 180 degrees, independently of each other. This gives them a sort of surround sound hearing system that is far superior to ours. They can pinpoint the tiniest, highest pitch sounds that we are completely oblivious to. So when your cat is staring at nothing, it's likely listening to the faint scuttling of a mouse in the walls or an insect you can't see. They're not being weird, they're just operating on a whole other sensory level. Let's dive back into the insect world, because it's just buzzing with oddities. Have you ever been annoyed by a fly? Of course, you have. They seem to have a sixth sense for when you're about to swat them. Part of that is their incredible reaction time. But it's also because flies have compound eyes, made of thousands of individual lenses. This gives them an almost 360-degree view of the world. They see everything in a mosaic of images, and their brain processes this information so fast that they perceive the world in slow motion. To a fly, your approaching hand looks like it's coming at a snail's pace, giving them plenty of time to make a getaway. Speaking of superpowers, let's talk about the mantis shrimp. This isn't your average shrimp. It's a colorful, aggressive crustacean with one of the most powerful punches in the animal kingdom. Its two front claws can accelerate as fast as a .22 caliber bullet. The strike is so fast that it boils the water around it, creating a shockwave that can stun or kill prey even if the initial punch misses. They can break through the shells of crabs and snails with ease. Some have even been known to crack the glass of their own aquariums. So, while they might be beautiful, you definitely wouldn't want to get on the wrong side of a mantis shrimp. From the powerful to the peculiar, let's visit the octopus. We know they're smart, can solve puzzles, and squeeze through tiny spaces. But did you know they have 3 hearts? 2 of the hearts pump blood through the gills, and the third, larger heart, circulates blood to the rest of the body. Interestingly, this third heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims. This is probably why they prefer to crawl along the seabed rather than swim long distances. It's just too tiring. It's a fascinating look into how an animal's anatomy is perfectly adapted to its lifestyle. Now for a creature that truly redefines lazy day. The sloth. They're famous for their slow-moving lifestyle, but this slowness is a brilliant survival strategy. They move so slowly that algae actually grows in their fur, providing them with excellent camouflage in the treetops. And here's a weird fact. Sloths only descend from their trees about once a week to poop. They do a little poop dance at the base of the tree. Scientists aren't entirely sure why they take this risky trip to the forest floor. But it's just another one of the many charmingly strange things about these slow-motion mammals. Let's switch gears from slow to fast. The cheetah is the fastest land animal, capable of reaching speeds of up to 70 miles per hour in short bursts. But what makes them such amazing runners? It's not just their long legs. Cheetahs have a flexible spine, large nostrils, and a huge heart and lungs, all designed for maximum speed and oxygen intake. Their tail acts like a rudder, helping them steer and maintain balance during high-speed chases. They are biological marvels, perfectly engineered for a life of speed. Have you ever wondered how a giraffe sleeps? Standing up, mostly. But they also have one of the shortest sleep requirements of any mammal, needing only about 30 minutes of sleep in a 24-hour period, often taken in short, 5-minute naps. And here's the kicker. Their long necks contain the same number of vertebrae as a human neck, just 7. Each one is just incredibly elongated, about 10 inches long. This structure gives them their incredible height without sacrificing flexibility. And we can't talk about animal wonders without mentioning the immortal jellyfish. Yes, you heard that right. The Octopuses dorni is a species of small jellyfish that is biologically immortal. When it gets old or injured, it can revert back to its earliest stage of life, a polyp, and start its life cycle all over again. It's like hitting the reset button on life. While they can still be eaten or die from disease, they have the potential to live forever, cycling through their life stages endlessly. It's a mind-bending concept that challenges our understanding of life and aging. Let's end with something a little closer to home. Your dog. When your dog wags its tail, you probably think it's just happy. But it's more complex than that. Studies have shown that the direction of the tail wag matters. A wag to the right side of their body often indicates positive feelings, like when they see their owner. A wag to the left can indicate negative feelings, like when facing an unfamiliar, dominant dog. It's a subtle form of communication that we're only just beginning to understand. From bees that know your face to jellyfish that live forever, the animal kingdom is an endless source of wonder and surprise. Every creature, big or small, has a unique story and incredible abilities. So the next time you're out in nature, take a closer look. You never know what amazing secrets you might uncover. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed these mind-blowing facts, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures into the wild and weird world of animals.